Okay, it is visible. Hello. Okay, should we start? Okay. Yesterday, what we have discussed? Yesterday, we discussed traditional salespeople, professional salespeople, golden rule salespeople. What are these traditional salespeople, professional salespeople, golden rule salespeople? Then, objective of sales management, top management expectation, sales volume contribution to profit, continuing growth. Okay, the customers' expectations, society's expectation, role of sales management to determine the objectives and goals of sales force, organizing sales force like sales territories and sales quotas, sales forecasting and sales budgeting, sales force management, recruitment, selection, training, compensation, appraisal, and career development. This we have studied. What? Okay. Now, this also we have studied types of sales management. That is, or the level of sales management positions. From the top, we also discuss who is the top sales manager or the top sales management, CEO, president, vice president sales, VP, vice president marketing, national sales manager. These are the top level managers or the top level management. Okay, they are planning. They are responsible for the long term strategies as well as for the short term strategies they implement. Okay, they are responsible for the long term strategies. Okay, they will implement the plan. Okay, here they are having the rights to launch the product, to withdraw the product, everything. They will responsible for this. Next is the middle level sales manager. Middle level sales manager, what they will do? Here they are regional sales manager or zonal sales manager, divisional sales manager. They will follow the instruction. They will implement they will start implementing this strategy. What the top level management had done. Okay, for the short period, for the short, that can be the long term strategy or the short term strategy. Depends. Now here next is the district manager, area sales manager, branch manager. They are responsible for they are responsible for following the middle level sales managers. Okay, and sales trainee, salesperson, sales representative. They will give the feedback. They will give the feedback. They will increase the sales volume. They will have a good relationship with their clients. Okay, so these salespeople will give the feedback about the markets, about the customers, about the competitors to the district manager, branch manager, area sales manager, and this area sales manager will give the feedback to the regional, zonals, divisional sales manager, etc. Okay, now here the sales the increment or the promotion of the sales people. Here zonal manager are responsible. Here the district manager, branch manager, area sales manager are giving the performance of this sales team to the middle level sales manager. So they are responsible for increment, for the promotion, other things. Okay, if the sales people need any training, recruitment, selection, all other things are responsible under the middle level sales manager. These are the types of sales manager or the level of sales management positions. Now, skills of successful sales management managers. What are they? The skill may be defined as an ability to translate one's knowledge this into the behavior so that it results in desired performance. Now, under this, there is a human skills, technical skills, conceptual skills. What is this? Under what comes under human skill? It can also called as people skills. Okay, it can also be called as people skills. Okay. Now people skill. What is under this actually here? Here this sales manager try to, he is the leader of the team. He shows the direction to his team. He set the targets, sales target. Okay. He set the sales target. He motivate his sales team. Okay. He keep the freedom environment free so that everybody can express their views and they can achieve the success. They can achieve the sales goals. So he is responsible for. He is a leader. He will try to motivate the salespeople. Okay. He tracked the records of these salespeople. He is responsible for the performance analysis of these salespeople. He will always uh, there to help them to achieve their sales goals. So this comes under human skills. Technical sales skills, technical skill. Now technical skill under this comes what is here the sales manager must have the knowledge about the technical knowledge. Okay, he should have the technical knowledge. That is, he, sales manager must possess the technical knowledge to deal with the customer's problem, explain their products, make presentation, deal with the queries pertaining to technical issues. Okay, they must have the capability to solve the problems and get rid of problem situation. They must possess the capability to convince the customers and client to enter into a sales and effectively negotiate. The sales manager must be able to provide training to its sales force. Okay, ability to use computers and latest technology. Now here sales managers, he is responsible. Okay, he must have the technical knowledge. Okay, he is having the apps, so he can track the records of the customers. He can track the customers. Here he is having the sales account. Okay, he can track the sales peoples. Okay, where they are visiting, uh, where they are visiting, and what is the outputs. All this he is responsible for this. Okay, he gives the presentation. He gives the try to close the deals. He tries to educate the customers. Okay, all this comes under technical skills. Now, next is the conceptual skills. Conceptual skills means what's actually here. What is the conceptual skills? Here, this sales manager, he understand the customer's requirement, design the presentation, and handle negotiation. Conceptual skills helps sales manager understand customer specific requirement, which can be made through their product. Okay, he understand the customer, what are the problems of the customers, and try to solve their problems. That we are having the such types of product which will give you the benefits. Okay, so he tried to solve the problems of the customers. Okay, try to convince him. He will give the benefits. He will try to present them the benefits that we are having the such types of product and it will give you the benefits. So here this will be helpful for both the parties. Here the sales people also, sales manager also, as well as the buyers. This will have a great relationship, a long-term relationship between them. Okay, which will be the beneficial for both for the long-term purposes. Next, relationship among sales management, personal selling, and sales manship. Yes, sales management is what actually sales management administer the personal selling efforts. We are already discussed what is the sales management. They are controlling the recruitment selection, okay, the function of training, sales budget, sales forecasting, sales territory. The function of all this is the sales management. Now, personal selling means what actually it is. It is a face-to-face interaction with the buyers, trying to convince the customers to buy the products. Okay, and they are earning the profits. Now, next is the Next is the salesmanship also. Salesmanship is one type of personal selling. He is also trying to convince the customers to buy the products. Now, next, what is selling? Selling is the transaction between the sellers and the prospective buyers. Selling is the art of closing the particular deal. Selling converts the production into cash. Selling is a part marketing component among several orders. Okay, so selling is a transaction between the sellers and the buyer. It is the art of closing the deals. Okay, they are converting the production into cash. Now, taxonomy in personal selling and salesmanship. Here there is order taker salespeople, order creator salespeople, and order getter salespeople. Now, order taker salespeople. Who are these order taker salespeople? Yes. Who are these order taker salespeople? Now here there are inside order taker salespeople, outside order taker salespeople, and delivery salespeople. Inside order salespeople, what they are doing, they are booking the order. Okay, you can take the examples of telemarketing. They are booking the orders. Okay, outside order takers means what actually? Here they travel to the customers. Okay, visit the customer, but they will not convince the customer to buy the product. That comes under this. Delivery salespeople means what actually? They will deliver the product. They will not convince the customer to buy the product. Examples: newspaper salespeople, the milk, the salespeople, delivery salespeople who are delivering the milk, pizza boys, they are delivering the foods. All comes under delivery salespeople. So these are the inside order salespeople, outside order salespeople, and delivery salespeople. Now next comes the order creators. Order creators means what actually here? What is the order creators? Here they will educate the customers. They will convince the customer, but they will not sell the product. Okay, they will educate the customers. Who are these customers? Actually, salespeople. What they are doing? They are trying to promote the brand to the customers. For example, medical representative. They are educating the doctors, but the doctors are not their customers. The customers are the patient. Okay. Same way, the publishers, they are selling, they are educating the professor. Okay. Now here professor will sell the student to buy that product. So these are the order creators. Next is the order getter. Order getter means what actually? Your sales people will try to convince the customers to buy the products. Okay, door-to-door selling, personal selling, that comes under this. Next is the personal selling. Personal communication of information, persuasion, helps others by providing goods, services, ideas. Okay. Goods means what? Which types of goods? Physical goods, tangible goods, which you can see the products. Okay, they are trying to sell this product by providing the goods. Services also. Services means after selling the product, what types of services they will be giving you with the customer. That comes under this. Ideas. All this comes under personal sellings. Now, types of personal selling, industrial selling, or the business to business selling. That comes under what? Under this, what comes? Selling to reseller, selling to business user, institutional selling, selling to government. Now, selling to reseller. Selling to reseller means who is this reseller? Who is this customers actually? Really selling to reseller. Yes, the customer, yeah, the manufacturers will directly sell it to the reseller. The resellers will be the distributor, dealers, wholesalers. These are the resellers who will sell the products, manufacturer's product to the end user. That is the industrial customers. So here the industrial sales people, they are selling the product through this middle person, through these distributors or the wholesaler or the dealers to the other customers, industrial users. Now next comes to the selling to the business users. Selling to the business users means what actually? Here the organization, here the marketers, they are directly selling it to the business user. They are directly selling it to the business user. Here they are having the good knowledge about the good technical knowledge about the product. Okay, they are directly dealing with the customers, having the negotiation with the customers. Okay, based on the here they will deal with the customer based on the product. They will try to solve the problems of the customers. Then they will have the deals, payment deals. Okay, service. All this comes under this, and they will try to close the deals. Okay. Institutional selling. Institutional selling means what actually? Here the customer, here the manufacturer will directly will sell the product to the institutional. Okay, it can be the chemical labs. There are all the other stationary product. They are selling it to the institution. Selling to the government. Selling to the government means what actually? Here the company, they are selling the product to the government. Here the government are having the tenders. So here the organization, their market organization will fill the tenders, and then if they are selected, then there will be a negotiation with the government peoples, and then there will be they will sell the product to the governments. That is the bidding. That is the auctions. With the auction, if the government person, the government, a particular person, they they will what they will do there. Auction means what actually here? They will invite the other companies, the various companies on the newspaper. Here the for a particular product, then all the other companies, the competitors, they will fill the forms, and they will here on the specific date, that person will open the tenders, and whose price is low, then they will be selected. Types of personal selling, retail selling. Retail selling is what actually here the selling it to the end consumer. Retailers is what he is selling the product to the end consumer for personal consumption and non-business use. Service sellings. What comes under this? Service selling. Benefits to the provided to the customer. Challenging tasks because of characteristic of services. Here what happens here? You are not only selling the product, but you are also looking after the services. Okay, installation, after sales services, any problems comes with the product, then you have to solve the problems. Okay, that comes under service selling. Duties and responsibilities of sales management. Duties and responsibilities of the sales manager. What comes under this? Developmental selling, service selling, customer relationship management, problem handling. Okay, so these are the okay. Now developmental selling means what actually here? Here the sales manager will try to identify new customers. Okay, here they will try to identify the new customers, which will help to increase the sales, and okay, which will help to increase the sales, and automatically which will increase the market shares. Okay, so here he will try to identify the customers, new customers. Okay, here there are new customers are the non-users also. You can say that here your new customers might be who might be not aware of the uh, organization's product or marketer's product, or the new customers are also there who are might be using the competitors products. So here the sales manager will tap these types of customers. Okay, this non-user customers also, as well as the user customers who are already using the competitors product. He will try to convince these types of customers to increase the sales. Okay, he will try to increase the sales, as well as he will try to also focus on the existing customer to increase the sales volume, to fill the gaps. There might be the some customers who might be not satisfied with the customers. So that's why he will try to identify the new customers. Okay, he will try to fill the gaps of the lost customers by having the new customers. That is the non-users as well as the competitors customers, as well as the existing customers, and try to increase the sales. Next is the service selling. Selling more to the existing customers. Service selling means what? Actually, selling more to the existing customer, and thereby enhancing revenue and profits. Selling more to the existing customers means what? Actually, here already satisfied the customers. Okay, here solved the problems of the customer. Here satisfied the customers' needs. Whenever the problems comes, if try to solve the problems of the customer. Due to this, what happened? There is a repeated business. Okay, yeah, they are giving the repeated business to the customer, to the sales manager. Due to this, there will be an increase in the sales, and hence there is the increase in the sales. There will be increase in the revenue and the profits. Okay, now here the potential future sales depends on not only on selling to the new customer, but selling to the existing customer in a repeated manners. Now, problem handling. What is this problem handling? Yes. What is problem handling? Yes, anybody?